So if we put IC is equals to IC plus IB, where IC is equals to beta IB, so IE can be written as beta plus 1 IB. So overall summary of the relations can be written as IE is equals to IC plus IB. Alpha is equals to IC over IE. Beta is equals to IC over IB. ICEO is equals to ICBO over 1 minus alpha. Alpha is equals to beta over beta plus 1. Beta is equals to alpha over 1 minus alpha. And IE is equals to beta plus 1 IB. And VBE will be taken equal to 0.7 volts. The voltage across the base emitter junction will be 0.7 volt. So this is the summary of all the relations studied so far.